I need a haircut. Listen, YouTube, there's a lot of hair to be cut, okay? So let's go. So you guys are just gonna stay outside? Okay, I mean the door is open if you wanna come in, you know? I mean, come on in. This is what I get for being so early, okay? I'm over here walking around trying to find something to do, you know, waiting until somebody opens that door so I can shake their hand, okay? I don't know what's going on. Hey, come on. I can't wait till they come through so I can shake their hand. I mean, I'm just gonna be here the entire time until they show up. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing, Uncle Kev? How you doing, Uncle Kev? I need that. I need my, yeah, Uncle Kev. Okay, all right. How you doing? All right. Thank you. How you doing? All right. How you doing? All right. Nah, I'm good. Appreciate it. Maybe you can get them something from the store. You guys want anything? This is Memo, ladies and gentlemen. Link right here. How you doing, Arlen? How you doing? Good morning. Ray. Come on. George. Good morning. Good morning, George. Good morning. First cut of the day. Congratulations. Yes, indeed. Justin, ladies and gentlemen. Justin, indeed. Yes. No problem. Uncle Kev, it's free of charge. He's getting married, free of charge. I don't know what he's doing here, trying to pay. Free of charge. Can I get one more? Free of charge here. All right. Neil, come on. Can I get a handshake? No? Come on. Come on. Can I get a handshake? Just one hand. Just a hand. All right. Come on now. Okay, come on. We family. Come on. Come on. Give me some. Give me some. Just one touch. Alright, cool. For those that don't know, that was my cousin, okay? My little cousin. He wasn't messing with me at all, all right? He wasn't messing with me at all. Good, what's good? Y'all all over here looking at me like y'all shocked or something. What's going on? What's going on? Whose hair am I cutting? You ready? All right. You look like you different.
You getting this? Oh, no. Come on, sit down. Now, Jesus, let you take the do-rag off. He's 3 years old.
3 years old? 3 years old. We're about to do this revealing real quick. I don't know. It might get a little bit real, but he's only 3, so my mind is only minimum right now. So we're about to see. It's seeping through the do-rag though. Hold on, you guys can see this. It's lightweight seeping through the do-rag. I don't see how a 3-year-old can even just. It's about to get real. I'm about to take this off. How, Sway? How? 3 years old? You 3 years old? You 3 years old? 3 years old. Oh my goodness. Who's brushing his hair for him? I was about to say. I'm the pappy.
I'm brushing that boy. I'm the pappy.
Oh man.
HustleDreamProduction.
I need to stop this right now. I need to stop. Listen, some of y'all out here ain't putting in the hard work. Some of y'all are letting this 3-year-old dip on y'all. Listen, let me. Oh my goodness. This don't make no sense. Some of y'all grown men out there can't even brush y'all hair, letting this 3-year-old outdo you. I gotta go over to the dad real quick. We gotta talk to the dad real quick. Listen, what are you doing?
Put my glasses up.
What are you doing here?
I'm following your methods. Been following for the past 9 months to a year. The pomades, the daily moisturizer, the curling hibiscus smoothie.
Listen, tell them what it takes.
It takes dedication, time, trust the progress, a good brush, and patience.
Listen, this is all I've been saying. That's all. I'm gonna get back to the cut. I just had to stop it real quick to let y'all know. If a 3-year-old could do it, y'all tripping.
HustleDreamProduction.
shame. All right, some of y'all need to put in as much work as 180 wavy baby. I mean, seriously, this is ridiculous. Let me get one more spin. Let me get one more spin. You guys, step it up. Step it up. Waves on spin. See, he real serious right now because he knows hard work, dedication, motivation, consistency, the will to keep going when the going gets tough and the tough gets going. He goes. He's going. All right, he's taking off right now. His waves are there. I mean, I can only give it out of 1 through 10. I have to give it an 11. You know what I mean? You gotta give it an 11. It's well over the expectations that anyone would have thought. The connections are there. The depth are there. The crispy lineup, I'm gonna give that to myself. You know what I mean? I gotta give that to myself. That taper is on point. Who would ever thought a baby could get a taper like that? But yeah, make sure you go. He got a YouTube channel? Hold on. Let's go to the father real quick because you gotta know that he's making this possible. Talk to him.
YouTube channel, world viewers, this is 180 Wavy Baby. We came down here straight from San Antonio to have the privilege to meet this handsome standing ovation man right here. Follow my son, the 3-year-old Waver, on YouTube, 180 Wavy Baby. Instagram, 180 Wavy Baby. On Facebook, Devin Andre. Let's go. I told you, world.
Listen, the link will be somewhere on the screen as well as in the description below. 180 Wavy Baby. Come on. One more time. I can't. Look at the face. Look at the face. Come on. Guys, step it up. Step it up. We out.
Huh.